You know when the record screeches, comes to a halt or whatever? This is it. This is the one you really need to pay attention to, because in C++, yeah, it's odd. Bear with me. I have two integers. There's nothing wrong with this code. There's nothing wrong with it. You have two integers. We're doing a 5 divided by 2, which, as you know, is supposed to be 2.5. The bad part is in C++, it's a 2. You're going, what the hell? I hear you. As the C++ compiler goes through it, it looks at number 5, says it's an integer. 2 is an integer. Well, I guess my answer is going to be an integer. Even though I convert it over to a float, the funny part is first, it's going to set it because of two integers. Those two integers, where is it? There is. Two integers are going to equal, that's how it thinks. Now again, 50% of the time, it's actually kind of right. Okay? The other 50%, well, not so much. So even if I convert it to a float, this will actually end up being 2.0. So what I have to do is I have to use a float or convert to a float before I really do that division, and then I'll get the right answers. So let me show you what that looks like. For those of you with Java experience, you've heard of casting before, which means I get to change, even though x was originally set up as an integer, I get to tell it now that, hey, we're going to change this to make sure it is now a float as I go ahead and do the work behind it. So now it's going to convert that x to really 5.0 and then do the division with the 2. Notice I didn't say 2.0, but 2. And then we'll get the response that we're really looking for. Now, that can be done in several ways. We can do it early when it comes to the x, changing that to a float, or we can even change that with the y. Either one, because we went over the different setups here, either one of those, that'll actually return a float value to us. Now that is definitely different than what you have in Python. This doesn't worry about it, and Java doesn't worry about it either. It does it correctly. This is one oddity in C++ that you need to keep an eye out for.